So as you can see, we got our coffee.
Yo, that rhymes. I have a caramel moon.
And I have a, what do I have, Breezy?
A dark side of the moon.
Dark Side of the Moon? Let's try it.
That's really good. That's really good.
It is really
Mine's
good.
better.
I like the whipped cream and
No,
the
it's like-
caramel.
It's so
Ooh,
good.
it is really good.
It's so good. All right, I'm gonna
My
finish
gosh.
this. I'll be back later.
It is so
What are
good.
we doing a
Oh,
transition for?
I'm not sure, but it's really good.
Empty bowls.
Empty bowls.
We're about to have empty cups, so it's only fitting that we do one about empty bowls.
It's very similar to an empty bowl. It is
So-
an empty cup, but it's not empty yet.
Oh, it's an empty mug. It could be a bowl. Yeah. Well, anyway, the Art Honor Society is
Mhm.
doing a fundraiser where they make bowls and then you can buy soup for them. Sounds good. Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, sounds like something I would do. I'm good at making bowls.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I was like in second grade, I used to be a pottery person, and so I'd go to this like pottery place that was over by Friendly's.
I remember that place. I loved that place.
Yeah, and I would make bowls.
So Ben's got a hidden talent.
I do have a hidden talent.
Bet you I make better bowls.
I make better bowls.
Nuh-uh. Say that 5 times fast. I make better bowls. I make better bowls.
I'd rather not at this time.
I make better bowls. I make better bowls. I make better bowls. Oh, I'm actually good at that.
You almost said you make butter balls,
Oh, I
which
didn't.
it's not Thanksgiving.
Can a butterball be a... Oh, that's buttermilk pancakes. I'm thinking butterball pancakes.
Yeah, so go check out that segment about the empty bowls.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Palisano here with Alejandro Salinas talking about the Empty Bowls project. So what is Empty Bowls?
Empty bowls is just like the National Art Honor Society makes bowls and sells them for charity.
And what are you fundraising for exactly?
We're fundraising for the Missionaries of Charities, and we decided to make bowls for hunger awareness.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you guys paint these bowls? Like how does the
Yes.
process work?
Yeah, we paint them, we make them ourselves. Sometimes we use the ceramics room that we have in the school for like the wheeling and stuff like that, like throwing a bowl and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, and burning it, and yeah.
And what size are the bowls?
Um,
Do they range?
Like average size. Yeah, they do range. They range a lot. Like it depends, because then they shrink when you burn them. So it's like, yeah.
And is it an in-class project or do you guys stay after school?
We stay after school. We have meetings every Monday, and it's on room 107.
And has this fundraiser been going on long?
Yeah, it's been going on for years now.
Okay.
I wasn't here for most of the years, but this year I'm in charge of it.
And who makes the bowls?
The students make the bowls. The people that are in the National Art Honor Society, some are volunteers, and some are actual members of the National Art Honor Society.
So you don't have to be in the National Art Honor Society to help out?
No, there are some of the bowls that we have this year. They were actually from the ceramics room that students made, and no one claimed them, so we decided to use them.
Stab them?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you do after the bowls are made and you sell them?
We try to see like which ones are cracked, or if they have like anything wrong with them, if they need to be glazed again and refired or anything like that, and if they're broken or anything. Yeah, we just check if they're okay to like eat out of and stuff like that.
Okay. And do you guys, is there like a day where you all eat out of them or? Is that...
Yeah, we try to make an event when teachers can come, because we usually like try to sell them to teachers instead of like parents or anything like that. So we have like luncheons for teachers. We get restaurants to donate food for us so that the teachers can have food and like eat in the room.
And do they eat in the art room? Or
Yeah,
is it...
they eat in the room that the National Art Honor Society usually takes place in. It's room 107.
Okay, and what restaurant did you guys borrow food from this year?
We had quite a few restaurants. We had Panera, we had Chili's, and yeah, it's just different places.
A lot.
Yeah.
And are these bowls available for students as well, or is it just teachers?
Students are allowed to buy them if they really want to. Like they're allowed to buy them, and we can have like some sort of arrangement for them to take it or anything like that. Yeah.
And how long have you personally been making bowls?
I personally, I started like last year making bowls, like not for the Empty Bowls project, but like in general, just making bowls. I started last year. Yeah.
And what's your favorite process? Like, what do you like doing best? The merging?
I don't know. I really don't like messy stuff, so I can't really say. But I guess it would be like actually seeing the final product that you made, and it's all shiny and it's nice.
Do you paint it?
Yeah, we do an underglaze on them, which is like different paints. And it, like when you burn it, it usually turns into glass and it's shiny and stuff, and then we put an overcoat on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if students want to become involved in this Empty Bowls project, how can they help out?
Well, right now it's kind of over, but anyone can really join for the National Art Honor Society. You can be an actual member, or you can just be a volunteer. To be an actual member, you have to have at least one art class and have an A in that class, like a 90 or above, and then have a B at least for the rest of your classes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And all the money you guys collect from this goes to various charities, you said?
Yeah, right now we're just donating for the Missionaries of Charity. And yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Is there anything you would like to add?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Elizabeth Palisano here with Alejandro Salinas talking about the Empty Bowls project. Now back to the Eagle's Eye.